Good afternoon, everyone. So I am Maya Daisy Mimakanili, 20 years old, from Villa Teresita, Ubay, Bohol. And today's video, I will gonna explain the simple conversion, which is the types of conversion. But first, let us know what is conversion. So conversion is the simplest operation to perform among the others. All we need to do is to switch the subject and predicate terms. So we must remember that conversion is only to be used on E and an I statement. By this I mean that when we convert an E or an I statement, then the new statement will retain the same truth value. So T or F as the original statement, the one that we are just converted. So let's say, for example, no cats are dogs. So since the definition of conversion is we just simply switch the subject and predicate, then we will just simply change it into no dogs are cats, right? So there is no difficult at all. So no cats are dogs change into no dogs are cats. Because in conversion, so for a simple definition, conversion is we were simply interchanging the subject and predicate without touching or changing the quality of the original proposition. Then that's what we do. So no cats are dog, then we will just change this subject and predicate, which is the cats and dog, then no dogs are cats. So we just simply think that the conversion is valid for an E and an I statement. So these are the two vowels that can be found in the conversion. The letter E and the letter I at the last, the conversion. If we can see that there is an A and O, then that will be invalid, because the letter A and the letter O can be used in the other types of induction, which is contraposition. So since conversion is already been discussed, so now I can proceed to the simple conversion. So what is simple conversion? So simple conversion is a type of conversion where the quantity of the convertant is retained in the conversion. So it must be remembered that only universal negative letter E and particular affirmative letter I proposition so can be converted by simple conversion. So let's say, for example, for the universal or the negative or the letter E, so no angels are mortals. So if we change it, therefore no mortals are angels. So let's say, for example, number 2 for the particular affirmative. So some mortals are men. So therefore some men are mortals. So when we say convertant, as what I said before, it is the original proposition. So this, for example, no angels are mortals. This is the convertant, the original proposition. So when we say conversed, therefore no mortals are angels. So when we say converse, it is dealing with a new proposition. So for more further explanation, or in the simple explanation for us to be able to understand easily about what is simple conversation. So the conversion is said to be simple if the quantity of the converse is the same as the quantity of the convertant, just what we do before. So there is no change at all from the convertant or the into the conversed, except for their subject and the predicate. So if the quantity of converse is universal or E, then the convertant must also be E. Okay, so if the quantity of the original proposition or convertant or letter I is particular, the quantity of the converse must also be particular. So easy as that. So that's all for today's video, and hope it helps you a lot for a better future. That's all, and thank you.